Hey everyone, Taven Royster here, your Nashville realtor with RE/MAX Elite. I have an awesome listing that's coming on the market. 312 Tartan Court in Hendersonville. It's out on the Indian Lake Peninsula. It's an absolutely beautiful 2019 built home, almost 3,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. You've got to see the gourmet kitchen in this place. Big open floor plan. You're not gonna find a house better than this one on the market right now. You've got designer landscaping, big 2-car garage. We're gonna be putting in iron rod railing right here. If you or anyone you know have been in the market for a new construction home in Hendersonville, give me a call today before this one is gone, because it will not last long. My name's Taven Royster. I'm your Nashville realtor with RE/MAX Elite, and I wanna show you something real quick. This is the view right across the street. Woods. Absolutely beautiful woods. All right, thanks for checking this out. I'd love for you all to come and take a look at it. This home's loaded with luxury upgrades such as granite, quartzite, marble, tile showers. I mean, it's completely decked out. You'll have to come and see it to fully appreciate it. Give me a call today at 615-830-6004. Thanks for watching.